Greetings, creatures of YouTube. So I was sitting around last night and I thought to myself, you haven't geocached in a while. I have the app on my phone, so I started looking around at some of the places I frequent. And sure enough, Indian Truck Trail is chock-a-block with them. So I figured I'd go up there and try to find a few. Assign some logs. I was also thinking about how long I've been doing it. I was reading the wiki and I guess it started in... Anyhow, that broad behind me threw me off. Geocaching. I was thinking about how long I've been doing it. It's got to be at least 10 years. I remember when we found our first one, it was like, no way, dude. Can't believe these are out there. It's so weird. Something that was brought up watching one of Colin's videos, Adventure Squared, was summertime and riding in the summertime, and how do you continue to do that in a moto vlog in the absolute insanity heat when it's 105, 110 degrees out here, especially in Southern California. I mean, it's stifling hot with the helmet on and gear. I can't even imagine. This will be my first summer as a rider. I bought this TW in October, so only about 8 months in as a rider. Yeah, I mean, I can't even imagine how disgusting it's going to be riding around with all this gear on. So I was looking at some options and I noticed that I watched the Everride video of that cooling vest, that high-vis cooling vest. It looks like a stout option, so I'm going to pick up one of those. And then the hydration pack. My body armor has a slot in the back for hydration packs. I need to research that and see which one is compatible. And I guess just water, staying soaked, and elevation, finding the high ground. I need to get out of the valleys, man, and up into the mountains. Yes, sir. I thought I felt naked today. Naked. Thought I felt real naked. I forgot to put my damn knee pads and shin pads on. Ooh, feels really weird. Better keep it together today then, Nick. Keep it together. Maybe we should stop and download some caches for offline use, because I believe we will lose signal up here. Put it in Nooch. And I will be right back. Alright, so I'm just gonna set my phone in this here Wolfman tank bag, and follow the... Yeah, that would be stupid if I said that. You know what I was gonna say. Damn litter bugs. You know, I should be a good dual sport rider and stop and pick that up. Good trail maintainer. Alright, well, I was going to try to do my best to keep the locations a secret, hidden, so if you do decide to come up this way and try to find them, it's not an easy giveaway, but I don't think this one, but I don't think I have a choice with this one since it seems to be right around the gate. The ones that are in the bushes should be a little more hard to find. So let's see. 16 feet. I bet it's down here. Holy crap. In the end of this pipe. I'm 4 feet away. Aha! What is the date? I don't know, the 28th, I think. Come on, pen. Well, looks like I won't be signing any logs. Thanks for the cash, TFTC. Back you go. Awesome, one down. Good Lord. Ugh. Yeah, that was a little slippery. It's gotta be in that tree or something. Two feet. Never gonna be able to get back up this. Yeah, wrong, dude. I don't think that one's there, or I suck. Well, on to the next. 12 feet. $10 feet. Aha! I see you. Yeah, it sucks my pen broke. I'll have to log them through the app. It's 2 down. Awesome, that was a good one. "16 feet away. God, this is sketchy, man, with snakes and stuff, you know? That's real sketch. Tell me it's up there. I wouldn't doubt it. Dude, I don't know. I'm not gonna risk it. "15 feet. 4 feet. "2 feet. It's right here somewhere. It's gotta be right here. Maybe it's up on this ledge. It says it's right here. I don't see squat. Yeah, 4/16/18. Someone else said they couldn't find it. Holy moly. Jesus. Cheese and rice. I'll probably try to find one more, two more, and call it a day. I'm hungry. I didn't eat breakfast. Thirsty. Brought water. Well, one last go here. 3 feet away. Alright, so it's definitely in this area. God, is that it down there? I can't tell if that's it or if that's a piece of trash. It's gotta be in here. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Yes, sirree. Guitar pick, an eraser. I don't have anything to leave. Awesome. It's roasting. Time to head on back and pop a cold one and throw some shrimp on the bobby. Surf and turf sounds excellent right now. Hey, before I sign off here, guys, I just want to say I hit 50 subscribers, so thank you so much to the 50 of you out there, wherever you may be, watching my silly ass up here. That means a lot. I'm looking forward to growing the channel. Hopefully it grows exponentially. Looking forward to doing some research and, you know, finding ways to evolve the channel as far as filming creativity and product value and drone shots. So it means a lot. Thanks, guys. With that being said, that's a wrap.